Welcome to Math with Mrs. Cox. We are on Chapter 3, Lesson 2 for homework, page 167. If you followed along with me on the guided practice, this will be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Using 10 blocks, base 10 blocks, we have bars, 10 bars, and single bars, or ones. Sometimes I call them marshmallows. We regroup them and see how many we have left over. Okay, let's flip the page over real quick. That was a quick recap. And we are working together on number 1. Using base 10 blocks, draw equal groups. State if there's any left over. Now, I always like to go and do the problem the original way, just so I don't make any mistakes. 3 will go into 4 once. 1 times 3 is 3. Bring down the 2. 3 will go into that 4 times. So I know there's going to be 14 in each group. Are there any left over? No. Now, sometimes I get a lot of kids that are asking, well, how many groups do I draw? Usually this one right next to the dividing sign. Let's call the divisor. That's how many groups you draw, or how many bubbles you're gonna have. And that's how many is gonna be in each bubble, okay? All right, so we have 14. So I'm gonna draw a 10 bar and then 4 singles. Put a bubble around it. 10 bar, 4 singles, put a bubble. And that are my 3 groups of 14. Number 2, let's do this the traditional way. 4 will go into 8 at least twice. 4 will go into 7 once. 1 times 4 is 4, and there's gonna be 3 left over. So how many are in each group? 21. How many are left over? 3 are left over. Are there any left over? If I put a little yes, there are 3. So now they want us to draw pictures. So now remember, we have 87 divided by 4 equals 21, remainder 3. This is how many groups or how many bubbles we're going to be drawing. And in each of the bubbles, we're going to have 21 in. So we can draw 2 10 bars and then a single on the outside. Put a bubble around it. 2 10 bars, single. 2 10 bars, single. There is our 3 groups. Oh, wait, one more. Gonna draw one more because there's 4 groups. 2 10 bars and a single. So 4 groups of 21 with 3 singles left over. I almost made a mistake. I'd have to pay someone Cox cash if they caught that. Whew. Number 3, Jamil has 3 pet lizards. He must catch lots of flies. Oh, crickets. The pet store owner said that Jamil will need to buy a total of 36 crickets to feed his lizards. If each lizard eats the same number of crickets, how many crickets does each lizard eat? Okay, 36 divided by 3. I'm sure some of you guys can remember this from your multiplication tables. I can't write and talk at the same time. 12. So we have 36 divided by 3 equals 12. Here's our divisor. We're going to draw 3 groups. And each group's going to have 12. So we can do a 10 bar and 2 marshmallows. 10 bar and 2 marshmallows. 10 bar and 2 singles. That is what our model is going to look like. And there's going to be none left over. We need to put 12 crickets. Find the error. Sienna used a base 10 blocks to find 45 divided by 3. Find her error. So when you take 45 divided by 3, 3 will go into 4 once, 3, you'd have 115. And can you see her problem? She said that 45 divided by 3 was 13, remainder 6. She didn't do her multiplication correctly. So you need to write 45 divided by 3 is actually 15. Okay, number 5, an airplane can hold 63 passengers and is separated into 3 sections. Make sure you're circling these important facts on your sentence. Each section holds the same number. Write a division sentence to correctly describe the situation. Okay, so we can do 63 divided by 3. And it doesn't say we have to draw models, so yay, right? 63 divided by 3. You could probably do it in your head, but I'm going to work it out. Ta-da! Okay, turn it in, folks.